Hey Wargamers, Squatch here. Come along with me today. We're going to paint Dragonstone Noble.
We're going to start off with a desert yellow coat across all of the yellow products to give it a nice dark undercoat that it can work from. We're going to highlight it with demonic yellow, making sure to cover everything in there. Going to go through and start painting the little details on the horse, the brown of the horse itself, the brown in all of the reins, metallics across the armor, red across the horse's coat. We're going to use skeleton bone across the antlers that are lashed to the horse's reins and on top of the armor. A wash across the model. Quick detour to do the eyes of the horse, the only eyes on this whole mini. And I went back and repainted it with yellow because I didn't like the way the wash looked, and it ended with this Dragonstone Noble ready to charge across the battlefield.